Kamusta mga kabasketbolista? Heto ang game recap result ng East Asia Super League last October 16, 2024. Tinalo ng Hiroshima Dragonflies ang Hong Kong Eastern 78-67. Best player of the game si Kerry Blackshear Jr. sa likod ng kanyang 17 points, 11 rebounds at 5 assists. Dinaig naman ng Ryukyu Golden Kings ang Meralco Bolts 77-74. Best player of the game si Vic Low matapos humakot ng 18 points, 12 rebounds at 5 assists. Last October 2, 2024, panalo ang Suwon Kitty Sonic Boom kontra sa San Miguel Bearmen 87-81. Best player of the game si Rayshon Hammond sa likod ng kanyang 39 points, 14 rebounds at 2 steals. Pinataob naman ng Meralco Bolts ang Macau Blackbirds 97-85. Best player of the game si Chris Newsa matapos nagtala ng 18 points, 3 rebounds at 6 assists. Kung bago ka pa lamang sa channel na to, mag-like at subscribe. Heto ang team standings as of October 17, 2024. Sa Group A, Hiroshima Dragonflies 1 win 0 loss. Suwon Kitty Sonic Boom 1 win 0 loss. San Miguel Bearmen 0 win 1 loss. Hong Kong Eastern 0 win 1 loss. Taiwan Pilots 0 win 0 loss. Kung umabot ka dito sa video na to, mag-like at subscribe. Sa Group B naman, Ryukyu Golden Kings 1 win 0 loss. Meralco Bolts 1 win 1 loss. Macau Blackbirds 0 win 1 loss. Busan KCC Aegis 0 win 0 loss. New Taipei Kings 0 win 0 loss. Heto ang mga laro ngayong October 23, 2024. Magharap ang Suwon Kitty Sonic Boom at Taiwan Pilots alas 7 Gs ng gabi na gaganapin sa South Korea Arena. Maglalaban naman ang New Taipei Kings at Macau Blackbirds alas 7 Gs ng gabi na gaganapin sa New Taipei Gymnasium. Kung nagustuhan mo ang video na to, mag-like at subscribe.